Hello, I'm Dennis Ojima, ESA's incoming president-elect. I'd like to welcome you to the second day of the ESA virtual meeting and provide some highlights of the program on August 4th. First off, I'd like to remind you of the scientific plenary lecture that we have today. Rob Jackson will be presenting on a topic he knows well, restoring the atmosphere. Throughout the day, we have a series of events that are career-oriented, and one of the fun ones, actually two of them, is our speed dating with our editors-in-chief. In addition, we have a live panel discussion entitled, "There's No One Way to Be an Ecologist," so that we can actually explore the various opportunities and pathways into our professional federal agencies to academia and NGOs. And so we could really explore those. And these link to the ongoing efforts with our Career Central that have our networking activities going on and other live panel opportunities. Throughout the day also, we'll have various live question and answers on topics related to our theme this year, the ecological data revolution. And we can round out the day with various activities associated with our sections. They have social events starting at 4 p.m. And I'd like to highlight two of them. One entitled Story and the Ecological Imagination, which is being sponsored by our Natural History section and the Natural History Institute. Second, being sponsored by our Human Dimensions Collaborative and the Utah Film Center, is entitled Ecology on the Big Screen. So don't miss those two if you have time at 4 p.m. today, Eastern Time. Lastly, I'd like to highlight that we are conducting our award ceremony today. So take a note of that and congratulate the great colleagues that we have working around the world, really promoting ecology across society. So I hope to see you virtually during the meeting and you enjoy the program today. Thank you.